Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a simple quiet text box in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert simple quiet text box in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click the text box option and find the simple quiet text box. Here the simple quiet and we click it to insert. Now we can see we insert the simple quiet text box. We want to add a text. Click the text box and click text option, then add text. You can resize the text box. Click the text box and drag on our mouse, then resize. You can rotate using the rotate icon. Press shift on our keyboard to exact ratio. Otherwise you can change the color or apply more style. Click the text box and go to the format menu. Then click the style drop down menu, then choose another style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.